Hello lovely audience and welcome back to How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to group elements into your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to group elements, you just simply have to open your Canva application and then open any of the existing projects or create a new project into Canva. Now after coming into your projects, you just simply have to enter two or more elements in order to group. And now after adding two elements into your Canva, you just simply have to scroll into this bottom bar until you see this more option. Then click to more option. You will get to see this select multiple option. Tap into that and then click to all of the elements which you want to group. Then after that you will get the option of group into here. Just simply click into that and your elements will grouped up. Following this very easy step, you can easily group your elements in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.